Let's learn how to add auto captions in CapCut. It's very simple, and many people don't know how to use it, but it's very useful and much faster for adding text. If you want to learn how to add auto captions, stay until the end of the video. The first thing you need to do is open the CapCut app on your phone. When you open CapCut, a screen will appear, and at the top of that screen you'll see a blue button labeled New Project. Click on it and find the video to which you want to add auto captions. Add it by clicking on it, and then clicking the Add button in the bottom right corner. After you've added the video, you'll see a Captions button in the bottom right corner of your screen. Click on it, and a menu will open. In the top right corner of that menu, you'll see the words Detect Language written in blue letters. Click on that, and select the language you want for the captions. Once you choose the language, you can select a text template. If you have the CapCut Pro version, you'll have more options, but if not, there are also free templates available. Once you decide whether you want a template, add it if you chose to use one. After that, click the blue Generate button at the bottom of the menu. When you click it, you've successfully added captions to your video. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.